All right, let me clip my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jasmine Nicole. And today for this look, I'm going to be creating this smoky eye using Tarte's Showstopper clay palette. This is my first time using this palette. And let me just show you the beautiful warm colors. It's just so gorgeous. So if you want to see me create this look using that palette, just keep on watching. Okay, the first product I'm going to use is Shape Tape's eye primer. And I'm going to use that all over my lid. Guys, don't mind my nails. I'm going to paint it right after I do this. I have the S&S nails. And then I decided to take it off. I'm just going to blend it with my finger. I decided to take it off and just let my nails breathe. But when I took it off, I decided to just do gel. And because my nails were just so weak, they just broke. So I had to cut them short. And these are my nails. I do miss my long nails though. Okay, after I blend out the eye primer, I'm gonna go in with, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna use Tarte's Clay Showstopper palette, and I am going to use the color, where are these colors? Hold on. So the colors were on this plastic cover. It goes like that. So I'm gonna have to figure it out. Okay, so it's Your Natural. I don't really like that the name of the shadows are not on the palette itself. So every time I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna have to like place it on and take it off. Okay. If you say so. So I'm gonna use Your Natural, this color right here, as a transition color, and I'm gonna use it on my crease. Use it this way. Okay, once that is done, let me find a brush. I am gonna go in. Oh, let me put the plastic back on so I can figure out the names of it. I'm gonna have to somehow write it in the back to make it easier for me. Okay, I'm gonna use Rose to the Top, and it's this purplish shade over here, and that is gonna go on my lid. Just to give it a little more shimmer. Originally I wanted a neutral look, a little neutral smoky eye, but I love the way these colors just pop. So I think I'm gonna have to just change my lip color. I was gonna go in with the darker lip color today, but I'm just gonna keep it, the lip color, natural. I'm gonna take a blending brush and just blend those two colors together, just to eliminate any harsh lines. And then I think I'm gonna add, what's his name? Dim the Lights. Just tab. For my bottom lash line, I'm gonna go with Dim the Lights. Already applied mascara beforehand, but since I applied eyeshadow, it could get a little dusty from the shadows, so I'm just gonna go back in with Bad Girl Bang by Benefit Cosmetics and just touch up my mascara. Now I lost the plastic cover. Sorry, for my inner tear duct, I'm going with Champagne Pink. This color right here. For look today, I was gonna use, this is so cute, right? I was gonna use Huda Beauty's liquid matte lipsticks. However, I just feel like I have a lot of colors going on with the dark eyeshadow, the necklace, my pants, but I'm just gonna keep it more on the neutral side. So I'm gonna go in with MAC's lip gloss in Oyster Girl. So a little review on the Showstopper clay palettes. It's my first time using it. I like how it has, if I can open it, oh my goodness. I love the big mirror. I like that you have the eyeshadows, the highlighter, and the bronzer all in one compact, so it's easy to travel with. However, I just don't like how the names of the shades are on this plastic sheet, because what if I lose the sheet? Then what? I'm gonna have to guess the name. So somehow I think I'm gonna maybe place it in the back, because I know me, I'm gonna lose the sheet. Here's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you enjoy watching this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already.